Hi, I'm John McCann from Survival Resources. I'm going to do an update video on our 72-hour bug out personal hygiene kit. This is a kit. What I want to do is come in closer on this and show you the close-ups of everything that's in this kit. It's a nice kit to throw in not only a 72-hour bug out bag, but a get home bag or any other type of bag you keep in your vehicle or something like that where you need some hygiene products. So let's get to it and we'll take this apart and show you what's in it. Okay, as you can see, this is the 72-hour bug out personal hygiene kit. You can see it's very small size, very thin. This will fit in most anything. A woman can even carry one in her purse. So let's get inside this thing and see exactly what components are in here. First thing we have is a light load towel. These, once they're moistened, they turn into a 12-inch by 12-inch towel. So you have a small towel in there. Next thing we have is a package of 5 Q-tips. We have a comb. As you can see, each of these is separately wrapped too. We have soap, deodorant soap. We have a toothbrush, individually wrapped. We have 2 dental floss. Each one of these is 18 inches in length, so that's quite a bit of dental floss. See, we have 2 toothpaste, Colgate toothpaste, and we have 1 shampoo, and then we have 2 wet ones, hand wipes. This is a formidable little collection of stuff for such a small bag, and it will take care of you for quite a few days. We've had a question in the past about only having 1 shampoo cream rinse in there, and what we've tried to explain is that if you're on a 72-hour bug out or a get home, your chances of showering even once is pretty low. But if you do get a chance, I think in 72 hours you could live with just 1 shampoo cream rinse. Anyway, that's what we have inside the bag. You should note that, as you can see with this, when we had the stuff in there, that there's enough room if you wanted to throw in a pair of our Uncle Bill's sliver grippers or even a pair of nail clippers. Nail clippers might be handy to stick them in here as part of your hygiene kit. Obviously they're not included, but it would be a nice addition to the kit. Okay, now that you've seen what's in this kit, I'm going to try to address a couple of questions we've had in the past about this kit. One of them is toilet paper. There's no toilet paper in the kit. Well, there's 2 reasons for that. One, we wanted to keep this kit small so that you would be able to carry it in just about any size bag and that type of thing. The second reason is that personally, I carry what I call a toiletry kit or a toilet kit, and I keep that separate from this. It looks like this. And the reason why I do this is because when I want to go to the bathroom, especially if you're out in the woods, something like that, I don't want to take all my personal hygiene things with me to go out there and do this. What I want to be able to do is just grab a bag like this. Now this bag has in it our compact toilet paper, which is available on our site, and we have the wet one hand wipes. And what I do is I put like 6 of those into a bag along with the compact toilet paper, and I keep this along with my hygiene kit in my pack. But when I want to go to the bathroom, all I got to do is take this with me. So that explains the first question that we've had in the past. The second one is, do we have any items in this kit that expires? Yes and no. Okay, the only thing in there that has an expiration date on it is the toothpaste. Now, we've called the Colgate company and asked them why the expiration date was on it. They've explained to us that it really doesn't expire. Toothpaste doesn't expire. The reason why they got the expiration date on there is because the federal government mandates them to do it because the fluoride in the toothpaste degrades over time. Not great time, but over time it degrades. So therefore they had to put the expiration date on it because of the fluoride. But the actual toothpaste itself, especially for a 72-hour period, it's not going to hurt you not to have fluoride in your toothpaste. So I hope we've addressed questions that we've had in the past about this, and that you can now understand why it is that we don't include toilet paper inside the kit, and that although one item has an expiration date, nothing in the kit really expires. So there you have it, our 72-hour bug out personal hygiene kit. They're on our site. Check them out. As always, I want to thank you all personally for joining us at Survival Resources, checking out our videos, and supporting our products on our site. And we'll see you next time around.